Hello content creators, welcome to another review video by How to Webmaster. Today I am reviewing Descript. This is a tool that allows you to clone your own voice, and I've tested out several different AI voice cloning tools in terms of quality and price. Descript is by far the best in value and quality, and you can actually get started for free. You can clone your own voice right now. It is a desktop program which you can download, and it actually comes with all of these features: transcription, podcasting tools, screen recording tools, studio sound editing features, and other things. But the most important thing is the voice cloning technology, overdub. Alright, here is what Descript looks like once you download it and install it. In the left hand menu item right here under voices, you can create a new voice. Just click there and name it something. So I'll do test, confirm. Alright, in the next step you need to record your own voice in order for Overdub to clone it. So here you need to click up here, record, and read about 15 to 30 minutes worth of scripts. And here's a tutorial guide on the right side menu here. There is a training script. You click on that, and here's what it looks like. There is about 30 minutes total worth of script for you to read, and you don't have to read all 30 minutes at one time. You can do 15 minutes and then another 15 minutes later on. The more script you read, the better the AI cloning quality becomes. So let's do an example, see how this works. So we got our script ready. Click on record right here, and you can just do audio only and select your microphone, and then click on record again, and 3 2 1, and just click record again. And here you can see it is recording. So let's go to the script right here and just simply read it. 100 years ago there were 1.5 billion people on earth, but even so there are still places barely touched by humanity. So make sure you read this as if you're actually talking in your normal talking voice. Don't read it in your normal reading voice or make it too formal, because the AI will pick up on it. So you want to read it as natural, like when you're talking to somebody. Otherwise the AI voice will actually sound kind of weird. So that's my main tip for reading the script. And in this example I'm not going to read the entire script, so I'll just pause it like that. And here you can see it transcribed whatever you were talking about. You can read any script you want, it doesn't matter, but you can just stick to the training script just to make it simple. And then once you have your 15 minutes, all you have to do is click submit training data right here, and this will submit your voice to Descript for overdub processing, and it takes about 2 hours to up to 24 hours, and they will email you when it is done processing. And when it is completed, after they sent you the email, you will see your voices under the voices list right here. You can see your name, whatever you call name your voice. So right here, this is my main voice that I cloned several months ago, and let's see how that sounds like. Okay, now to use the text to speech with your cloned AI voice, you can go to the projects and click on either new project or new classic project. I like the classic version better, but that's my preference. And you can create a new project for transcription or text to speech or audio editing. it doesn't really matter. And once you have the project, click on a project folder. So I have a bunch here. I am a big fan of Descript, as you can see. Anyways, let's go here, and here's one of my example script. And basically you type in your script or paste it from whatever, and then you will be able to select a voice or speaker. So here is my Overdub AI voice, and there are a bunch of stock voices which also sounds pretty good that you can test out. They sound actually high quality AI voices, and it's free. It appears to be unlimited text to speech with the stock voices. I haven't had any problems so far. But anyways, for your Overdub AI clone voices, it will appear up here. So go ahead and select it, and now this entire script will be under my voice. And you can also have multiple voices, like if you want to clone your voice in a casual manner or a formal manner, angry manner with different tones, you can adjust it as well. You can click here and select a new voice. So you can even write a script with multiple speakers, a man, a woman, that's up to you. So this is very jam-packed with a lot of features. Alright, let's play the voice for you to hear how my AI clone voice sounds like. Here's a step-by-step guide to uploading your website files to your cPanel account using FTP. Install an FTP client to connect to your cPanel. Alright, here's another example. Welcome to another WordPress and cPanel tutorial by How to Webmaster. Learn to install WordPress in cPanel. Follow these steps. Inside of your cPanel account, scroll down to the Softaculous Apps Installer section and click on the WordPress icon. If your web hosting provider do not have Softaculous, they might be using another app installer that works in a similar way. If you want to install WordPress manually, and it's important to make sure to add pauses in between like sentences. It makes it sound a little bit more real, and you can easily do that by dragging right here. And this is a pause, like 2 seconds and less than 1 second, or a big pause, and you can do that for each sentence or paragraphs, whatever you want. Descript is an awesome tool for voice cloning. Highly recommend it. It's free to get started with cloning your own voice. I'll leave the link down below. Thanks so much for viewing. Be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more AI reviews and tutorials. Thanks again.